present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
And then never delivered that.
Yeah, my instinct was just to laugh it off. Like, it's some nut out there and just ignore it. And then we'll move on to somebody else. Don't worry about it.
But then he Googled his son,
And then I saw that post
and there were these horrible things written about him as well.
accusing our son of being a pedophile.
Mahal-mahal.
Whoa. Wow. My God.
Oh, baby.
This air is gonna be good, right? Because I could take breaks, or I could like.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no! I'm done.
It's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Anywhere fans go to cheer on their team, there are behind-the-scenes MVPs ensuring everything is game day ready. We see you, Joe, fixing the seats so every fan can enjoy every game. And Allie, who keeps her stadium running smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
Am I doing okay? Oh, I hope so. Huh? Don't worry, keep going. And check. He's good. So, I didn't pass? Everything's great. Congrats. Hooray! Thanks a lot. Dreams come true. Good luck. Thanks. Huh?
Good morning.
Hello. Shall we start?
Sure. I'm finally gonna become a driver. Let's roll. Huh? Oh no, how could I forget?
Wait, what are you
This has to be done.
We're gonna crash. I'm too young to die. I want to leave.
Uh-oh. How did that happen? Ouch.
How could you be so reckless? You could have killed us.
Huh, not a big deal. I want my license. Come on.
Huh? Fail.
What? Are you serious?
Payment, but still, that's like nothing. It's cheap. Then I bought all the Oakleys. But I was making money too. Things were good back then. Oh, it's on recording. I got it on recording.
Jesus Christ.
Both Ryan and Wes failed out of college. Okay, calm down, Kaylee.
It's an AK in my hand. These boys a bunch of different than a trend. I got on the land. Are you? You know what I'm saying? But the these niggas thought that I was playing.
Oh my God.
Dude, you got so much room. Go.
Please go. What the is this person doing? Idiots. All of you.
The horn. What? It's a road.
You're stopping in the middle of the road.
Drive.
Then talk and get it over with. Are you serious? Are you serious?
Discover this story?
So, I've spent a number of years reporting on issues related to older Americans, and I've been particularly...
That's what they all say.
What?
That's what they all say.
Yep. Anyway, I'll let you go now. We talk to Ashley.
Alright.
I'm on my way to pick up my brother.
Drive safe.
Hey,
People are driving like... Ouch!
I know.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Jesus Christ!
His parents from the small house shortly after Scotta's disappearance. The state police determined
The person that into the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh! Oh! Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
Yeah, I heard the wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off and this mother driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Oh my God!
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there. मर्जी करने वाला हो लंबा रास्ता हो जाता अगे नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक एड़ा लगी तो नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
Garmy, hey Garmy.
Here's the rub with that. Because Dungeons and Dragons doesn't make any sense, there are no large beasts. So what I'd like to do is, elephants are technically a size above large, but I'd like to use elephant stats and say they're large creatures for the purpose of our operation.
That is fine.
Okay, so here are the stats. So how many people is it? Yeah, no, you ended up with about 100 people. And so basically how this works, this is like when I do wild shape. So they get these hit points on top of their normal hit points. And so like when they get to 0,
have no clue.
Whoa! Whoa, my God.
Jeffrey, spicy. I don't have a spicy one.
You're gonna have a spicy donut? Oh!
So, what
This is
you
an
do?
accident.
Go, ooh.
Hang on.
Yeah, yeah. Call it.
Call 911. Police say the suspect was told that body swabs would be taken after he was arrested. So he used his own urine to rid himself of the evidence. No word on whether it worked or not.
Yeah. We just almost crashed.
Oh, seen that car accident.
What?
Just witnessed a car accident up here.
What happened?
Some truck came out of nowhere and just hit this other truck.
Great.
I got that shit on dash cam.
So I wanted to know what's going on because I tried going online as well and it won't allow me to.
Oh,
Damn.
that guy jumped at that light.
The red one?
Yep.